Alhamdulillah, we're here with a distribution with Task Force GLM, getting out to this village, literally in the middle of the mountains. Took us about 3 hours to get here. It is supposed to snow at this time, but it's raining. And alhamdulillah, the trucks have only got to this point because they can't go any further. This is the distribution point for this particular village. And alhamdulillah, we have the opportunity to be diplomats on behalf of you all, serving all of our brothers and sisters here in the earthquake relief. One of the most important things to understand is, of course, the difficulty of what they're facing, and of course the difficulties of what they're about to face. It's going to snow here soon with 1 meter of snow that essentially is going to cover this entire area. Alhamdulillah, we have the opportunity to provide for them homes, this prefab kind of apartments that alhamdulillah we're providing.
Task Force GLM will be distributing food parcels, hygiene kits and non-food items, organizing medical camps and providing prefab houses. Visit our website taskforceglm.org